Alright everybody, here's a new upcoming project working on for a friend. I got a converted over carburetor. It's an '04 Softail. It was fuel injected. Well, it still is, but we're going to put a carburetor on it. This is his rat rod bike. I got to wire it all up, put a standalone ignition system on it, and put clutch cables, throttle cables, and all the other items so it goes up and down the road. And probably do some engine work on it. Definitely check out the cam chain tensioners, make sure they're still good. But first we have to get it fired up. This bike hasn't run in a long time. Need to get it fired up, see how it runs, and hopefully it'll run really good. It's just a twin cam 88, but stripped down as this bike is, got to run pretty good. He's going to have fun on it. So follow along on this project, guys. Be more to come.